Possums. Yes, the mighty possum, one of the most commonly sighted animals found in backyards, sheds, trash cans, and of course, next to the side of the road. Hi, my name is Carlton, and with us today is Oscar, an animal ambassador that is willing to stick around for a few moments if he has food to distract him. Opossums are North America's only marsupial. While there are more than 60 species of opossum in the world, only one species can be found here, the Virginia opossum. Marsupials are pouched mammals. When people think of marsupials, the first animal that often pops into their head is the kangaroo from Australia. When possums are born, they are no larger than a honeybee, only having developed strength in their arms to help them crawl into their mother's pouch, where they will drink milk until they have developed enough to ride on their mama's back. Possums are scavengers. Their good nose and excellent sense of smell allows them to find food with ease as they are traveling around at night. Of course, the life of an opossum isn't always easy, as many predators larger than them are out hunting at the same time. Since the possum wants to continue living, they develop 3 excellent methods of defense. First, if they find themselves in an open field, they'll run away as quick as they can, using their opposable thumbs to try and climb up a nearby tree or fence post. If, however, they are trapped in a corner, they will hiss, revealing their sharp teeth and hoping that the predator gets the hint and goes away. If surprised, however, they'll play possum, falling over and playing dead while releasing a foul scent to trick predators into thinking that they're rotten. While this may work on normal predators, the possum has one that it can't outsmart: the car. Oscar actually came to us because his mother was hit by a car. Luckily, he and his 6 siblings all survived in their mother's pouch. While only Oscar came to us, it's not something he's too upset about. Possums are solitary creatures in the wild, and as they grow older, they enjoy having their own space. So he's happy with all that he's got. One thing you can do to protect opossums and other wild animals is to make sure not to attract them to the side of the road. The trash you might throw out of your car window could smell like a tasty treat to many animals. Even biodegradables like apple cores and banana peels could take up to a month to break down. It's simple. Just take all of your trash, recyclables, and compostables home with you to discard. If you have an opossum, like Oscar in your backyard, you can count yourself lucky. Possums love to eat ticks, snails, roaches, and mice, but they won't dig in your yard. You can think of them as your free gardening helpers. In addition to that, their blood temperature is too low to carry rabies, which makes them an even safer neighbor. We hope you enjoy seeing these furry friends. We want to thank you for spending some time with us to learn more about opossums and Oscar. If you would like to learn more, we hope you'll visit our Facebook page or our website to meet more of our other animal ambassadors here at the Balsam Mountain Trust.